Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we have this beautiful Mercedes ML350. So this is coming for a midlife refresh. The car has already run 2 lakh kilometers and we have refreshed it mechanically as well as cosmetically. In the mechanical side, we have replaced the full front aeromatic suspension as well as the rear. And along with that, we have replaced the front brake pads. Plus the air mass sensor unit, which was throwing an error. So coming to the cosmetic part, we have repainted 9 panels of the car. And we have also refreshed the wheels and we have painted up the wheels, the discs and the calipers. So now this car is completely fit and ready to give many more years and many more kilometers of a wonderful experience to the owner.